Check out the fit though, man. You know what I'm saying? Some slight. You know what I'm saying? But check my ride out though. Come on, number down.
Damn! Stand up. I'm from zone 6, nigga. I'm from zone 6. Yeah. I'm from zone 6, nigga.
Man, it's your boy 1340 back with another video, man. So, I had put my new pipes on, and I'm about to give y'all a review on these Radiant Cycle Shorty GPs. I like the sound. It's kind of obnoxious a little bit, but the sound, I like it. And you got to get used to it, because if you've been riding the booster with the stock pipes for a minute, it's gonna take some getting used to. But I'm finna give y'all a comparison of how different of the sound it is and how it's gonna be, because I got one right here, and I got mine right here with the shorties on it. So I'm about to prop the camera up, and I'm about to give y'all a listen to the stock, to the aftermarket pipes. Alright, I'm finna give y'all the sound of the stock pipes. On my new Shorty. it sound from this to this. You know, this is a 09. This my dad bike. This a 09, and this the 17. This my bike. So I love this bike. Y'all see how I got the blue in there, the blue sparkles in there. Look at it, blue sparkle. You know, and going from these to these is a big difference. Look how red it is now. It was red in there, but they still trying to get broke in or whatever. But yeah, I love the sound of it. It's something different, you know. And the prices, they was cheap. I wasn't trying to be so cheap, but you know what I mean. It was just something I needed to do because I always wanted to get these off because they was just so heavy and stuff like that. So I just got these off. So now, like when I'm on the expressway, I used to be scared to cut through cars. Now I can just go beside cars and cut through because I ain't got them big old pipes right there, and I can just go on through. So that's about it. So now really, what I gotta do is get some back brakes or whatever. Cause y'all see how thin they is. Get me some back brakes. Get some back brakes. My tire, y'all see how bad that is. My new tire just came in the mail. I'm gonna show y'all that. That's the only new thing I'm getting. Some back brakes. Might put my new tire on. I gotta change my oil because my oil is real black. If y'all can see in there, that shit real black. And put my LEDs on there and get a new helmet. That's about it. But I'm gonna catch y'all. This is the end of the video. Like, subscribe, comment. I'm out.